Prepare for a cosmic revelation. NASA, the United States Space Agency, has recently shared some thrilling news about an asteroid collision experiment that took place last year. In 2022, NASA embarked on a daring mission to nudge an asteroid off its course by smashing a satellite into it. This audacious experiment, known as the Double Asteroid Redirection Test, DART, was designed to explore methods of planetary defense. And guess what? It was a resounding success. The satellite collided with the asteroid, named Dimorphos, at a staggering speed of about 22,530 km per hour, 14,000 miles per hour. The impact was so powerful that it successfully altered the asteroid's trajectory and left a crater about 50 meters, 160 feet, wide. The Hubble Space Telescope captured images showing a cloud of boulders that were dislodged from the asteroid's surface due to the impact. David Jewett, a planetary scientist from the University of California at Los Angeles, described the site as one of the faintest things ever imaged within our solar system. The boulders, which are currently moving at a leisurely pace of about 1 km per hour, 0.5 miles per hour, are not considered a threat. In total, about 37 boulders were counted, ranging in size from 0.9 meters, 3 feet, to 6.7 meters, 22 feet, across. This groundbreaking experiment has given us a glimpse into what happens when an asteroid is hit and material is ejected. It's a significant step towards developing techniques to deflect asteroids that could potentially collide with Earth. So, next time you look up at the night sky, remember, we're not just observers, we're active participants in the cosmic dance.